Hi everyone, welcome to the second video of Monastic Apps. This one is for automatically generating YouTube playlists based on a channel that you like. So it's solving a very specific problem of mine, and I created a script to solve it. I'm hoping it might be of use to you as well. Let me just, before getting into the script, I'll just demonstrate it to you real quick. So you start the script. So let's say I have a YouTube channel that I like. So for me, it's like this Goulet Pen Company. They have 2.3 thousand, so 2,300 videos on their channel. And let's say I'm only interested in the videos that are about Lamy pens or that have Lamy in the title and that are more than 20 minutes long. So there's no easy way for me to do this on YouTube, like to create a playlist of the Goulet pen videos that meet these criteria. So I created a script to do that for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the channel URL here, channel handle. I'm going to say my minimum duration is going to be 20. I'm going to say that I want to match title keywords called Lamy. And the title is going to be Long Lamy. Let's just say it's going to be, my playlist is going to be called Long Lamy. Description by Goulet Pens. I can make this private, so I'll just enter because that's the default. Now, for me, I've already done the authentication. For you, it's going to direct to the browser where you'll authenticate your Google username. There's also a little bit more to it, but I'll let you know in a second. So here you see they found the API returned us 2,349 videos. Now it's fetching the video details, the title and duration. 29 videos matched my filters, which is having the name Lamy in the title and being more than 20 minutes. So do I want to create a playlist with these and add all of the matching videos? I will say yes. So now let's go to my channel, which currently has only one playlist where I've put in my first project, the speaker isolator. Oh, I might change that to something like YouTube, or should I do another playlist for this? For like, it's a smaller script. But anyway, okay, we see that the video adding has been completed. Now I'm going to be refreshing my channel. And here I see I have a private playlist with 29 videos.
Welcome everybody to episode.
Stop this. And yes, it is 29 videos and they all have Lamy in the title, as you can see. Obviously I could have specified more like Lamy store or something. There's a lot of like modifications you can make to the script, but this met my needs at this time, so that's what I created the script for. If you are interested in the script, I have published it on github.com/monasticapps/YT playlist generator. And there's a README there, which talks you through getting some credentials that you need to get from Google Cloud. They should be free, but do your own due diligence. But for me, they were free. And that is it. So that's all I have for you today. All right. Let me know if this script is helpful. Let me know if you want any, if you have any suggestions for other versions. I usually err on the side of getting something out there rather than, perfecting it into a pristine app. But obviously the part of the goal of this channel is if there is demand for a specific type of script, I want to improve it and work on it. So that might be, I'm open to feedback. Happy YouTube playlist creation, and thank you very much. Bye.